Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Tyson the Go, man. I'm back in another video, man. You already know what we doing today, man. You know what I'm saying? We should do finding, Valentine. Only monkey out, though. I ain't gonna lie, only monkey out. At first, I was gonna do, like, a public interview type shit, you know what I'm saying? But I said, nah, I'm just doing it on the monkey out. Because I ain't, you know, I be getting, like, lazy sometimes, man. But it's cool, though. Cause I'm still gonna drop a banger video. Just ain't gonna be no public interview. It's gonna be on the monkey out, man. We gonna see who the right one. We gonna see if we find the right one, man. The goal is to find the right girl, man. So we gonna see. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? They fuck with the kid. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they fuck with the kid, man. But make sure y'all like the video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell on, man. Like I'm saying though, like y'all gotta give me up, man. Like y'all gotta like the video, man. I ain't gonna lie. Like, subscribe, bro. We on, look, man. I don't know if y'all can see, but we on the road to 400 subscribers here. Y'all can't see, but we on the road. There you go. Yeah. 400 subscribers, man. Come on, man. Let's get into this banger video. Yeah, gang. Which one of y'all from Chicago, man?
Me, gang.
Are you? I'm from
the girl with the hoodie.
I'm from Chicago too, man. What part are you from?
West Side.
Damn, you West Side. I'm on the South Side.
I was on the South Side, but shit, I had to get out of that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, it really don't matter. Both are worse. It really don't matter. No.
I ain't gonna lie, but yeah.
You
got braces?
Huh?
You got braces? My man's trying to compare his fucking teeth. I'm playing with him.
Who?
You don't like his teeth social distancing. You don't like that.
Huh? Yeah, no, yeah, that's funny.
Little King.
Yo, what's the word?
How you like this shit?
What's y'all on? Why y'all doing this?
It's Black History Month.
I know. You gotta support the black people. I gotta support.
Yeah. Support. Like, what are you talking about? It's my month too. You tripping on that?
I'm playing, man.
I only have for half of the month, but you know, so today's definitely Monday.
Wait, what's your race though?
Huh?
What's your race?
What's my race?
What? Not you, the one with the glasses.
I'm mixed. So
Are you mixed? Oh, okay, you mixed.
But she's still valid, and today's the first day. Everyone celebrates the first day.
Every time. I'm saying where y'all from though?
Kansas, where you from? Hold on.
So I got a question, like, what was y'all rating 1 through 10 though? Damn, I ain't even to answer my question, bro. She just blew. Yo. What's going on, man? Damn, she was cute. Fuck. That was good. Yo.
What's up?
What's you on? I said, what you on, man? Atlanta. Dance, do not dance. This shit tweaking. Yo.
I'm going fuck. Oh.
What's y'all on?
Oh, hey.
I'm saying, why your face ain't in the camera though?
Wait.
Huh?
I can thumbs up.
Yeah. Definitely. I'm saying, what you finna do on the camera though?
Wait.
How old you is, man?
Too young.
Too young? What you mean too young? How old you is?
A child. Wait,
I'm not 22 though. What they say I'm not 22, bro. I'm not 22.
Hold on, wait. I need to find like this shit up. Like right here. Let me see.
But like, how old you is for real though? It say you 23.
But I'm too young. How old are you?
I am 17.
Still too young for you, my nigga.
Y'all have my phone, bro. Yo. Do not. Yo.
What's up, babe?
What's the word? Babe. Fuck.
What's up, bitch?
What you on? I'm saying though.
What?
What you rate me 1 through 10?
Because why you didn't get him out yet? Okay, give him to me.
Huh?
What you asking me?
I said, what you rate me 1 through 10? How she gonna be like, what's up, baby? In the end. Alright, what, bro? What's the word? Boy, I ain't gonna lie, for I tweet like a mom. Yo.
Quit being a hoe trying to fuck.
What you
I ain't worried about a hoe or a slut.
Talk your shit then, man. Talk your shit, man.
Literally.
Yo. What's y'all on?
Don't say nothing crazy.
Huh?
Don't say nothing crazy.
I'm not them, man. I'm not that freaky shit. No, I'm not.
Alright, what you on, gang?
I ain't no shit, man. How old y'all is?
Old enough. You like you eat booty. I'm not gonna lie.
No, bro. I don't do that, bro. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I just can't
You
do
got some
that.
big lips. You be doing something with them. You be sucking dick?
Bro, what? Yo, dumb
You be
ass.
sucking dick?
Yo, dumb ass. You be sucking? Do you be sucking dick? Do you be sucking dick, bro?
Do I be sucking dick?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I suck clitoris too.
I can suck mine. Yo, what's the word? What you on, man?
These nuts.
Man, fuck out of here, dumb bitch. I'm gonna start trolling these bitches. Yo. What you on?
Nothing.
I'm saying though, you cute though.
Thank you.
How old you is? I said, how old you is?
How old you?
I'm not 22, man. Whatever they, I'm not 22, man. I'm 17. I don't know why I say that.
How old I know?
I mean, it say you 18. You look like you 18, 17. 16? 16? 15? Oh, you 15. That ain't bad, though. Where you from, though?
Alabama. Where you
Alabama.
from?
Chirac.
Okay.
You know about Chirac?
Mhm.
Yeah, some people be acting like they don't know what it is, but they know, though.
Mhm.
I'm saying, like, what you looking at? You watching something?
Mm.
Oh. I'm saying, like, I got a question, though. Like, what was your rating 1 through 10?
I like a 8.5.
Okay. I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie. I'm lonely, man. I need me a Valentine. You trying to be my Valentine, man? Like, real shit, though. I'm for real. I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna come out there. You gonna come visit me, though? It gotta be like a 50-50 thing, though, you know?
Mhm.
So, we gonna make it happen, man. We gonna tap in. Wait, you got Instagram?
Yeah, what is it?
I'm finna tell you my Instagram. TYSHON_10. You see it?
Hold on. Yeah.
I'm finna follow you, man. We finna tap in, though.
Alright.
Alright.
What the fuck did I have that?
Yo. I got a question. I got a real serious question for you.
Okay.
Be honest, man. Just be honest for me. You suck dick? Huh? You heard me?
What the fuck? What is?
Well, you suck lines, though. That's what I'm saying. Like, it look like you get good head.
Why does everybody say that? Because I'm white?
No. Because your lips. They juicy as hell.
My lips?
They juicy as hell. And I want, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get that head. I'm trying to see what that mouth feel like. What you say about that? Yo, what's the word?
What up?
Shit. What you want, man?
Nothing.
Nine. How old you is, though? Huh? I can't hear none of you saying anything.
I just turned 18 2 days ago.
Oh, yeah. Happy belated birthday, man. What you do for your B-Day?
You said what?
I said, what you do for your B-Day?
So, I didn't do too much on my birthday, but I got stuff
Okay. I got a question, though.
Hmm?
What was your rating 1 through 10? Yo. What's the word? Why you saying oat?
I said yo.
Oh, you said yo. I thought you said oat. That's how you said oat. What you want, man? How old you is? You said 16? Ah, you my age. Where you from, though?
Kentucky.
You like it out there? Nah. You ever been to Chicago?
I have.
Did you like it out here in Chicago?
Yes.
Yeah, that's where I'm from, man. When you was like on the south side, like what part was you in when you was out here? You don't know? I forgot that was like your first time here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's figured that. But I got a question though. Alright, what would you rate me 1 through 10 though?
7.
7? Okay. It's hot out there? Oh, you know, it's cold as hell out here though, I ain't gonna lie. It's like 2 degrees out here right now. With snow outside. Y'all got snow out there?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. What I'm saying though, you know, like Valentine's, I ain't gonna lie, I'm lonely, man. I need me a Valentine. Like, for real though, I need me a Valentine, man. You wanna be my Valentine though?
Oh, got a boyfriend.
Oh, you got a boyfriend. You loyal though?
Huh?
I say you loyal?
Yes.
I'm saying though, we in 2 different cities, right? You could be my sneaky link. Like he ain't gonna know about it. He ain't gonna know though.
I don't cheat.
You don't cheat? I fuck with you, man. Bitch, suck my dick, man. Fuck you, man. You don't cheat, man. Yo. Tell my she don't cheat. She gonna cheat today. She gonna cheat for me. Yo. What you on? What you on? What you on? Yo. I'm saying though, you cute as hell, man. Damn, you should have skipped me. Look at you, man. You should have skipped me, man. You should have skipped me. No, you should have skipped me. I was clumping. I was like, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna skip you. I promise.
Ah, you promise? I'm saying though, you cute though. How old you is?
I am 18.
Ah, you my age, yo. My age. I'm saying though, like, where you from? See, bro, she talking about she knew she was gonna skip me, man. What?
Don't be winking at me. Happy Black History Month, Bookie.
What's the word?
Yeah, you hear her saying Bookie? What's the word, Bookie?
Why you keep saying Bookie?
Look at here.
I'm saying though, why your face not in the camera?
You fine.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I'm saying though, why your face not in the camera though?
Yeah, my sister said cause no face, no case.
No face, no case.
You feel me?
I can't see no face or nothing.
Oh, no face, no case.
You got Instagram?
Just wanted to talk shit.
Add me on Instagram then.
I got you, Bookie.
Alright, look, my name is. Well, you got it on your phone?
Huh?
You got it on your phone?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's TYSH.
It's that big game. Hold on. What is that? Hold on, let me go to it. Who you go for?
Let me know you're ready.
TYSH.
ON. Underscore. 10.
Who's your favorite player? Huh?
Underscore 10.
Oh, my God. 10. Bro, shut up. I can't hear him. What if this is my future husband? Let's see. Is this you?
Follow me. Let me see. It's gonna come.
Wait, you got a YouTube channel in your bio?
Yeah. Yeah, that's me.
Okay, you got the drip.
Hell yeah, tight shit. Follow me right quick, cause I want to see how you look, man. You saying all this, and I'm trying to see how you look though.
I got you, Bookie. Yep. You gonna follow me back?
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you back. Yo, what's the word?
Bro, my edges all messed up now.
No, it's not.
What's up, man?
No, it's not. To me, they not. I'm saying though, how old you is?
You don't know how old I am?
No.
You can't see my age. I can see you 22.
I'm not 22 though. I'm 18.
The
No, cause I'm saying like it be like it say they 18 or they age, but they said that's not really their age.
Oh well, I'm 19 now. I just turned 19.
Yeah, I'm 19. I mean not 19. I'm 18. I'm 18. I'm finna turn 19. I'm finna turn 19. I'm finna turn 19. Damn, I just my dumb ass. Yo.
Yo,
What's the word?
what's poppin'?
Shit, man. On this app, chilling, man. What you want?
Bored.
I ain't gonna, damn. I ain't gonna, what all the like. Yo.
I got a question.
What's your question?
Should I text my boyfriend? We haven't texted in like 3 days.
No.
Should I text him?
No, you should text me though.
Oh.
Fuck that nigga, man. Text me.
Bro, I keep slipping. I can't get back.
They has to be outside on this app and shit.
Okay.
Yo.
Hey.
What you on, man?
What's up, man?
I'm saying though, rate me 1 through 10.
Bitch, you went to 10?
Yeah.
You know where I am? I'm at 10, of course.
You definitely a 10.
Yeah, I know. Thanks. You like a 9.5.
Okay. Where you from though?
Really?
You from Philly. I gotta come out there, man. I'm saying I need me a Valentine, and I want you to be my Valentine though. Like, you fuck with that?
Yeah.
What's that on your face?
I don't even know.
Yeah, I don't know. You just putting shit on your face, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying though, I got like, have your face ever been painted before? Have your face ever been painted before?
No.
No? I could paint your face though.
I never had a Valentine before.
So I'm saying though, you could be my Valentine. I want you to be my Valentine.
Oh, you want to put it on my first Valentine?
Yeah.
You think you deserve that?
Yeah. I know him now. I'm him for real. I'm gonna treat you right. I ain't these other niggas that you been with. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Chicago nigga, so you ain't never had no Chicago nigga before. You know what I'm saying?
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
Bitch.
How old you is though?
12.
You say you 12? You 12? I was gonna say, fucking say. How old you is, though?
What was you about to say?
I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna be mad at my fucking self. What the fuck?
I'm 1800.
Are you 18? I'm 18 too, though.
I'm 1800.
I'm 18 too.
Ew.
Why you saying ew for?
I'm 1800.
1800. Y'all guys playing too much, man. What's your age, man? Why you playing?
I just told you.
You talking about you 1800. It do say you 18, though. But I'm saying, though, we gonna tap in, though. You got Instagram?
Yeah.
I'm saying, add me on Instagram, then. What the fuck? But look, though, add me on Instagram.
Instagram.
Tyshawn_10. I'm gonna spin it out, though.
Spell it. Hold up. It's all I got first. Spell it.
TYSHON.
S-H-O-N. What's the rest?
_10. You follow me? Cause I'm gonna follow you back.
Your name Duke?
Yeah, that's me. Alright, bet I'm for the follow you, man. Alright, we gonna tap in though. We gonna tap in, man.
Tap out.
She was cool. Yo, I'm saying though, you cute, you pretty as hell, man. Right,
You said what?
I say you pretty as hell.
Oh, thank you.
I ain't gonna lie, I like him natural though. You know what I'm saying? That's my type though. Where you from though? Damn, you laughing at me? That's crazy, man. That's crazy, bro.
No, because every time I tell somebody where I'm from, they skip.
Where you from though? You it say Cleveland, but I don't know if that's because sometimes they be lying.
Ohio.
Ohio? What's wrong with Ohio?
You don't be seeing them TikToks?
No, I don't be seeing them TikToks. What TikToks be in Ohio? What be going on out there that people be like skipping? What be going on? Let me know something.
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
I'm saying, how old you is though? What the fuck? I didn't know how this was some playing shit. Yo. Yeah, I'm so skip anyway, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Yo. Skip. Can't take no dark screen. Yo. I'm saying though, you cute as hell, man. How old you is?
19.
19, I'm 18. Where you from?
Too young.
How? I'm 18. What the? Bro, how? I should have said I'm 19. I'm skipping. Yo.
Yo.
What's the word? I'm saying that you cute as hell, man.
Thank you so much.
How old you is?
I'm 15.
Are you 15? Are you my age? Well, I'm actually 16, but you know what I'm saying? You around my age. I don't know why I say 22. I'm not 22.
What's your birthday?
August 3rd, 2006, man. I'm a junior in high school. How do I know all that back that fast? You see what I'm saying? They be lying on this app.
Okay.
I'm saying, when your birthday though? You a sophomore?
Yeah.
Okay though. I'm saying, like, what's your rating 1 through 10 though?
You look calm. Let me take your head off.
Take my head off. I'm finna get right though. No man, my head, man. Friday, I'm finna get right. So you know.
Hello.
Yo.
Hi.
What's the word, man?
What?
What's the word?
What you mean? What's the word?
You don't know what that mean?
I know what's the word means.
Oh, okay. That's just how, you know what I'm saying? You're from Chicago, so that's just how we talk.
That's how you start a conversation.
Yeah, that's just how we talk, you know.
Not much.
Not
I'm just chilling in my room.
How old you is though?
What?
How old you is?
How old am I? I'm old enough.
You old enough?
Yeah.
You sure?
I mean,
No, it say you 23. It say you 23 though.
What?
It say you 23 though.
It says I'm 23. Oh, that's crazy. I'm not 23.
Then what age you is?
Old enough.
Old enough?
Do you not see the tattoos?
I got tattoos too, then. What you mean?
So you're young and you have tattoos.
Bro, what the fuck I look like? I'm 19, man.
That's what you're trying to say.
I'm 19, man. I'm not young, bro. I'm 19.
Oh, you're 19?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm 19 too.
Someone think you 19 too, bro. You trying to play? You trying to play? Where you from, man?
I'm from Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. I'm saying though, like, what you?
I moved out of Brooklyn.
I
live in Delaware.
You like it out there?
Huh?
You like it out there?
No. I like it upstate in the city. I hate it here. Hate the suburbs.
It's boring.
Like now, I don't even sound like I'm from New York.
Yeah, you don't though. I ain't gonna lie, you don't.
It's crazy. I know, right? Mm-hmm. It only comes out when I get mad, though. That's the thing.
Like when you get mad,
then like it'll come out. But other than that, I sound like a regular Delawarean, which is terrible. Terrible. There's not. Where are you from?
Chicago.
Oh, where does it say I'm from?
It say you from. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't even know. I don't know what the fuck that say.
What?
They say some shit. I don't know what that say. I don't know what that say.
Shit.
Man. That shit tweaking.
Touch your ass.
Yo.
Hello.
What's the word?
Huh?
I said, what's the word?
Nothing really. Chilling.
How old you is?
I'm 17.
Oh, I'm the same age as you, man. I'm for
really?
real. What age I look like, man?
30.
Why everybody think I'm that grown? I'm not that old, man. I'm 17.
You look shit, boy.
That's probably the beard. That's probably what it is.
You still in high school?
Yeah, I'm a junior.
Stop capping.
I'm not capping. I'm a junior, bro.
You're a junior?
Yes, bro.
Hey.
Swear to God. Swear to God, bro. You a junior?
No way. You still got a whole nother year and shit?
You a senior?
Yes.
It's cool, though. I'm gonna get though.
Like, what? I cannot just... No.
I look like I'm like 18, 19 on now. I'm saying, I got a question though. Alright, what'd you rate me 1 through 10?
Huh?
Like, what'd you rate me 1 through 10?
8. Just because you look grown as shit.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking like for a Valentine, you know what I'm saying? And I think you should be my Valentine, man.
I don't do no Valentine's shit. That's
Right.
corny as fuck.
So what you do then? Relationship?
No, I don't do no relationships. I don't do no Valentine's. I don't do no love shit.
Sneaky link.
I don't do no sneaky links, so ain't nobody gonna play me.
But like, what if I'm not gonna play you though?
Huh?
I ain't gonna play you though. Oh my God. You must not hear about Chicago niggas, huh?
I definitely heard about y'all.
What you hear about Chicago, man?
Y'all ain't shit. Y'all ain't
Oh
fucking
my
shit.
God, bro.
That's some real. Y'all just want some pussy and y'all will get that shit from fucking anybody. You see a fucking hole and anybody gonna fuck that. Like, a motherfucker is down bad. That bitch could have a pussy and she looks like a whole fucking troll and he'll fuck on her.
I ain't them.
Like, that's how Chicago boys are. They ain't shit.
Yeah. I ain't like that though, you know what I'm saying? I ain't like that. Like, I don't see me personally, I don't touch on anything. I don't touch on anything. Where you from though?
How much bodies do you have?
Huh?
How much bodies do you have?
Oh my, I got 3, man. How many you got? You lying. Your ass lying, bro. You fucking lying.
Bro, I know what the fuck I'm telling you.
For real? You got 0?
Yes.
You must say you ain't that right one yet.
No, I'm telling you, I don't do that.
But
Like, I had to fuck
that's
off.
not bad for my. That's
I
not
don't-
bad for me
I
though.
feel like I'm never actually gonna find like a person that I like or that I'm interested in.
So I see like the niggas you been with been treating you wrong.
I haven't been with fucking anybody.
I
I've
ain't
never
been.
been in a relationship before.
That's why. Why not though? Like you don't want to like never give it a try.
No, it's because I've never been like actually interested in somebody to a point where I'm like, oh, like I really want to be in a relationship. I want to take them serious. I've never actually liked somebody like that. Like I've liked somebody and then it goes away like the next fucking day.
Damn,
Yeah,
that's crazy.
that is crazy, bro. Oh, that was an accident.
I mean, you know you wanted to send me your friend.
It was an accident.
It's okay, man. I'm saying you got Instagram.
No,
I don't got Instagram. I was gonna say I'm Instagram, man. Where you from though?
I'm from Cali.
You from Cali? Cali.
Yeah, where the real bitches stay at.
Cali. That's why. That's how the. So that's how the Cali girls act like, huh?
Like what?
Bougie.
Hell nah.
You seem like you bougie. I ain't gonna lie. You seem like you bougie.
I ain't.
You not?
Why does everybody say that?
I don't know, man. You know the Cali girls, y'all be acting like y'all too good. Like y'all bougie.
We is though.
But y'all be like hyping it up too much, man. Y'all be hyping it up too much. What you think?
I don't think shit of it. I mean, we are too good. Y'all ain't shit.
Bro, not me, man. But I mean, if a bitch ever try me though, you know, it's gonna be worse.
What do you mean?
On their end.
You'll hit a bitch?
No. I'm gonna get them better than that. My get back is worse. You know what I'm saying?
What's your get back?
I get back. Man, why you wanna know all that, man?
What's your get back? That's because I'm curious.
My get back is like, I'm the type, like if a girl like do me wrong, type shit, I'd be the type like, you know what I'm saying? I get about 4 or 5 her friends, talk to them, fuck them, and send the videos to her. Or another thing, if the girl, you know, that did me wrong, and then she try to come back and let me, like, you know what I'm saying, fuck her, I'm gonna fuck her and block her and never say to her again. I'll walk right past her and act like I don't even know her. That's my get back right there.
You know what? I'm gonna put that in my notes.
That's a good get back, ain't it?
The fucky part, because I'm not gonna give her my pussy just for it.
That's a good get back though, right? That's a good get back, right?
Yeah, but at the same time, you'd be gaining mad bodies just to get back.
I mean,
And then you gonna come off as a hoe and community dick, so.
yeah, but I mean, shit, she gonna feel my pain, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make them feel the pain, you know?
No, you know what happened to me once?
What happened?
I was talking to this guy, but I knew we weren't gonna be more than that. I knew that we were not gonna like go further, and then I just started ghosting him. You feel like I didn't want to talk to him anymore, so like I just wouldn't text him back, or I wouldn't answer his calls, none of that. And then he sent me a video of a fat hoe sucking his dick because he was mad that I didn't call him back. Like, bitch, how you get a fat hoe to suck your dick just to get back at me? Like, bitch, I don't want you.
I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, that's doing too much now.
Exactly.
Nah, that right there, I wouldn't do nothing like that, though. I wouldn't do nothing like that, though. That's doing too much.
Really too much, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Definitely hurt. Bitch, we weren't even dating this shit. Got hit from a fat hoe. I hope you get herpes on your dick. I hope your dick falls off.
Damn. I feel like you gonna meet that right one though. You just gotta like, you know, you just gotta wait some time. I feel like you gonna meet that right one.
Nah.
What you think?
I'm not looking forward to it.
Nah, you don't. I'm not saying you're not looking for it, but I'm saying it's gonna come in your life, you know. Let you meet that right one. Then y'all like locked in.
Fuck no, you see, that's what I'm scared of.
What?
To be locked in. Bitch, how you trying to be locked in?
But like you can't be like insecure or nothing like that. You can't be doing. You can't act like that. Cause
Like what?
like you might have that right one in your life and then you push them away. You know, you can't do that. Like you gotta get. Everybody deserves a chance. You know. That's how I look at it. Like you don't feel like that.
I feel like if I push them away, it's because I don't fuck with them. So why would I force myself to fuck with you? It's not gonna work.
But like, what if you do fuck with them though?
Then I wouldn't push them away to begin with.
Okay. That's real shit though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't no Kelly girls like that.
Like what?
Like how you is. I ain't know that. Why you turn your camera off? Oh, she left. I'm done though. I'm finna end the video though. What was this? Yeah, putting this on. Yeah, can I fucking end the fucking video? You dumb bitch. You ugly as hell, bitch.
Wanna when they wanna see me lose. All my niggas look better.